frost falls from the ancient stone, river sings in silver tone, budding branches start to rise, morning breath beneath the skies. Soft wind moves through field and tree, carries spring across the sea. Sing, sing to the turning light, an emerald dawn, golden bright. Winter shadow slips away, spring walks barefoot into May. Sing, sing, let valleys ring, every heart begins to sing. Heather wakes in gentle bloom, sun spills gold across the moor. Hidden seeds break silent ground, life returns without a sound. Old oaks lift their weary crowns, hope runs wild through hills and towns. Sing, sing to the rising day, green returns along the way. River root and beating wing, all remember how to sing. From darkened earth a promise grows, through quiet rain and melting snows. Ancient breath in mist and flame whispers springtime's secret name.